Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Zoho login problems on PC. Zoho is a cloud-based business software platform developed by the Zoho Corporation, and it provides many online tools such as CRM, email, accounting, project management and forms, and all accessible through one Zoho account. And many businesses and individuals use Zoho on their PC, and however sometimes users experience login problems such as incorrect password errors, verification issues, page loading problems, or they usually be fixed easily by checking your login details, adjusting browser setting, or resetting account. So first what you can do is open any of the web browser that you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar, type down zoho.com and also check your login credentials. One of the most common reasons for the login problem is entering the wrong email address or the password. Open your browser and make sure you sign in carefully. Type your password and sign in, and make sure caps lock is turned up. Double check the spelling of your email address and ensure there are no extra spaces in the password field. You can also clear the browser cache and cookies. Browser store temporary data cache and cookies. Sometimes these files become outdated. In order to do that, on the top right corner we can find this three dot icon here, and under this icon go to this setting. Over here on the left hand side you need to go to this privacy and security, and over here what you can do is go to this delete browsing data here and select delete data on the bottom, and you can restart your browser after clearing the data, and you can open the Zoho login page again. And you can also check your internet connection. Or slow or unstable internet connection can stop the login page from the loading correctly. Simply refresh your login page and simply turn on or off your Wi-Fi as well. And that is it. This is how you can fix login issues on Zoho. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.